Okay, so this is the nighttime ritual. We're very happy to be in bed so that we can scratch our fingernails against the side of the bed. To the elephant, the little dots that are over there. It seems to be something about the texture that's so interesting. What you doing, Jacob? Oh, blanket. What you doing? Yeah, I see. Scratch, 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 kick. Just feels so good on my fingernails, Mommy. It's like I'm filing them down on the side of my crib. You're so silly, baby. You're so silly. I don't understand what you're doing, but you're having a good old time doing it. You're smiling up a storm and kicking and having fun. Yeah. Oh, grab the blanket, sleepy time, kicking in, tiring ourselves out. You're so silly. Okay, are we done scratching at the side of the crib, Yarrow? Huh? Is that part over? Now we stare at the mobile that Mommy made from a variety of things. All these little loop-de-loop things that you get. I made a mobile out of it. And it moves. Of course, when Mommy moves it, it moves. And I like to watch that sometimes. It calms us down. Little head moving back and forth. But we're still going to kick. We're still going to kick. Oh, now we're going to look at the camera suspiciously. Mommy, what are you doing? Oh, it's story time. What are you doing, baby? Getting ready for sleep? Yeah. Yeah. Always got to put on a show like you're busy, busy, busy. Even though I know you're sleepy, sleepy, sleepy. Okay, cute stuff. I'm going to let you settle down. Just wanted to show everybody you're scratching at the walls of your crib because you're so silly. Just love the feel of that material on your fingers, huh? Yeah. Oh, yeah? Oh, there's the beginning of the rubbing of the eyes. Telling a story. Say, Mom, I'm telling a story here. Are you going to go ahead into dreamy land? Go ahead into sleepy land. Say good night, everybody. Good night.